In this video, I'm going to tell you some insane and weird facts about spirituality, which is very hard to believe, but it is what it is because these are facts written in books. So let's dive right into it. So the first one is the all-seeing eye in the Illuminati, that triangle and the eye, which many people think is somewhat demonic or very mysterious, is just your pineal gland. Pineal gland is inside your head, which produces DMT when you meditate. Some scientists say it is just useless sitting inside your brain, but obviously there can't be anything useless in our brain. That pineal gland produces DMT in your brain when you are meditating, and many monks and many experienced meditators know about this, and they use this pineal gland very often to get answers from the universe. Let's jump right into the second fact now. There is no time. So what does it mean? In the book Power of Now, it said that there is no time. There is actually just present moment, because we are thinking about past in the present moment and we are imagining future in the present moment. And I know many people will start arguing that no, there is time and stuff, but we are 3D people, three-dimensional human beings, or we can just say three-dimensional organisms, and we don't know about the fourth dimension. Time is fourth dimension. When we say time is running very fast, we don't know what's going on. Have you ever seen time running fast? It's just a feeling, and we just see it in clock that the seconds and hours and everything, they're just ticking away, but we don't really know what's happening. You have never seen time. It's just a feeling. So if you meditate and you feel the present moment, you will actually realize that there is just the present moment. That's it, and future is not coming, and there was no past. You are just living in the present moment for a long time, which felt like a long time. Actually, it was a very long stretched present moment. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Let's go to the third fact. You will never die. So many books say that you are not gonna die. If you die, your only body and brain will die, but your consciousness, your awareness will still be there. You'll be born again, or you will become some other organism, any animal, a tree or plant, who knows what you'll become. But many books have said that you will always experience something. You are not gonna die. You will be something. So if you're afraid of dying, you have to know that you're not gonna die. That's not gonna happen. Let's jump into the next point now, which is the fourth point, which is you don't exist. And I know many people will be just angry listening to this, that you don't exist, but actually you are a group of thoughts. Your whole identity and your existence, whatever you think, my name is this, my age is this, I do this and that, these are all thoughts. And when you go in a very deep level of meditation, you realize that these are thoughts, and you're just watching the thoughts, and then you realize that you are only awareness or consciousness. Then you'll realize the identity you think you are does not exist, and it's just an illusion. Let's go into the fact number 5 now. When DMT is produced inside our brain, basically inside our pineal gland, we become one with the universe. We merge with the universe when we meditate while DMT is being released in the brain, and we let go of everything. It's a feeling very similar to being dead, and people have said that when they experience this, they lose the fear of death. They are just fine with death. Then they say, I'm not afraid of anything, because they know what death feels like, and it's actually very peaceful. Keep in mind, I'm talking about the death of ego here, not death of body and mind. So this is a different thing. Basically, when we meditate while DMT is being released, you become one with the universe, and the death is basically the death of ego, and this is what you basically are. Let's jump into the next fact now. Sixth fact. Many psychedelics are used to produce DMT, or just opening your third eye, or whatever you want to say. The names of these psychedelics are ayahuasca, cannabis, magic mushrooms, LSD, and obviously most of these are banned because they are psychedelic drugs. But there are a few places in the world where some of these are legal, and you can actually go and buy and experience experience all this. Now let's go into the fact number 7. You can actually calculate your vibration level, your consciousness level. Like we say, his vibration is very low, his vibration is very high, that person is high vibration, that person is low vibration. So there is something called as the map of consciousness. You can look into it and see what you're feeling, and you'll know what your vibrational level is. So this is very great to kind of keep track of what vibrational level are you on. So this will help you raise your vibration whenever you can realize that your vibration has gone very low. Fact number 8, that parallel universes actually exist and you can go into any of them. This is a concept of fourth dimension, and we can do reality surfing in these parallel universes, and all we need to do is just change our thoughts. There is a whole book written on this, parallel universes of self, and in 1 second you can change your reality 7 times. Actually, it's happening while you are watching this video. If you change your thoughts and beliefs, the realities will be changed, because your subconscious mind is just proving what you believe, and that's how this reality is working. I know this sounds weird, but this is actually true. You can read the book to understand it better. Okay. Fact number 9. When you go above the level of 600 in the map of consciousness, you can feel that everything is moving in slow motion. People are talking in slow motion, and even you are in slow motion. So why this happens is because actually you are too much in the present moment and you are feeling too much time. You must have seen movies in which monks have super fast reflexes and they are watching everything in slow motion. A punch is coming and they just dodge it effortlessly without even moving much, because they are watching everything in slow motion. So this is what's happening in these movies, or what these monks are doing. Basically, they are above the level of 600. They can see everything in slow motion, but other people are still working in the same speed of time. Fact number 10. Your right brain and your pineal gland has the power to connect you to the whole universe and cosmos. You can get any information you want from your right brain and pineal gland because it's connected to the whole universe, and only 0.0000001% people in the whole world know how to do this. Basically, 1 person in 1 million people knows how to do this. So this is a very great thing. If you can meditate and get this skill, you'll actually be a great legendary person which can do weird stuff. Like, you can just ask a question from the universe and you can get the answer right away. So you need a lot of meditation and you need to produce DMT in your pineal gland to do this. The people I'm talking about, these 1 in 1 million and the above 600 level on the map of consciousness, are the people who we call they're enlightened people. And the meaning of enlightenment is when you just realize that you are just awareness and you do not exist. Weird, right? So tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts about this? What do you think? What do you feel? And do you have any suggestions for the upcoming videos? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you later. Bye bye.